Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix can't connect to App Store on your iPhone and iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, we try again. As you can see, here is the error, can't connect to App Store. So how to fix it? Open settings, scroll down, tap on general, again scroll down, and here is the date and time. Tap it. As you can see, 24 hours and set automatically as toggle off. Toggle on both of these and go back and try again. So as you can see, App Store is working right now successfully. So if you have any problem, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.